Unlock unparalleled insights into real estate markets by transforming raw Zillow data into a powerful sales engine. Zillow Scraped Data provides a wealth of property information, from listing prices and features to historical sales data and neighborhood demographics, offering a granular view crucial for gaining a competitive edge. The first step involves ethically acquiring this data, typically through specialized web scraping tools or services that systematically extract publicly available Zillow information into a structured format like spreadsheets. Once acquired, the raw data needs meticulous cleaning and structuring. This means removing duplicates, correcting errors, standardizing formats, and organizing it into easily manageable tables for effective analysis. With clean data, you can dive into market trend analysis, identifying emerging hot neighborhoods by tracking price appreciation, analyzing inventory levels, and understanding shifting buyer preferences over time. Leverage these trends to pinpoint potential leads. For instance, identify properties that have been on the market for an extended period, or homeowners in high appreciation areas who might be considering selling. Finally, transform these insights into highly targeted marketing campaigns, tailoring your messaging to specific buyer or seller segments identified through your data analysis, offering solutions directly relevant to their situation. By mastering the art of leveraging Zillow Scraped Data, you move beyond guesswork, making data-driven decisions that significantly boost your real estate sales and marketing efficiency, transforming potential into profitable transactions.